All right, GVMC, this is the video to find our, this is a one mini winner, I believe, right? Two spots, both spots, okay? So one winner, back down here, there we go. So this is our one winner mini for the Clay Matthews full-size pick one. So we'll check the time, January 2nd at 1:58 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have January 2nd at 1:58 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins both spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin, spot 6. So Kevin, you will win both spots in the main. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, January 2nd, 1:58 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.